Planes leave white trails in the sky because of how hot airplane engines meet cold air. It's kind of like when you breathe out on a cold day and you see your breath as a misty cloud. Those white trails are called contrails, short for condensation trails. How contrails happen. 1. Hot airplane exhaust. Planes burn fuel in their engines to fly, and this creates exhaust full of hot gases, including water vapor. Tiny water droplets you can't see. 2. Cold air at high altitudes. Up where planes fly, it's really cold, way colder than your freezer, often below -40°. When the hot, moist air from the plane's engines hits this super cold air, the water vapor quickly cools down. 3. Ice crystals form. The cooled water vapor turns into tiny ice crystals, and these crystals form the white streaks you see. It's like the airplane is writing on the sky with icy markers. Why are some contrails longer or shorter? Weather conditions. Contrails last longer when the air is very cold and moist because the ice crystals don't evaporate as quickly. In drier air, contrails might disappear almost immediately. Type of engine. Different engines produce different amounts of exhaust and water vapor, which can affect how visible the contrail is. Altitude. Planes flying at higher altitudes often leave longer contrails because the air is colder and more humid. Do contrails affect the planet? Yes, contrails can have a small impact on Earth's climate. Because they're made of ice crystals, they can trap heat from the Earth or reflect sunlight back into space. Scientists are studying their long-term effects on global warming. Fun facts about contrails. 1. Not all planes make contrails. Some planes don't leave trails if the air isn't cold or humid enough. 2. Double contrails. Sometimes you'll see 2 contrails coming from a plane. This happens when the plane has multiple engines and each one produces its own trail. 3. Patterns in the sky. When many planes fly in the same area, their contrails can crisscross, creating a tic-tac-toe pattern in the sky. So, planes leave white trails because the hot, wet air from their engines turns into ice crystals in the cold sky. It's like a chilly science experiment happening thousands of feet above our heads.